The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me.
Hi guys, it's Cooking with Life Lab again, and today magluluto tayo ng adobong balon-balunan or chicken gizzard adobo. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. For our ingredients, kailangan natin ng onion, garlic, ginger, green chili, peppercorns, at saka bay leaves. Kailangan din natin ng chicken gizzard or balon-balunan. So, meron ako dito guys, nakapack na siya for 50 grams. May balon-balunan. So guys, let's start cleaning and slicing our ingredients. So, yung aking balon-balunan guys is frozen siya guys. Sinuko na muna siya sa water and saka ko siya lilinisin. Guys, ito na guys yung ating ingredients. Nalinis ko na siya at na-slice. Ayan, tapos ko na rin guys hugasan yung ating balon-balunan. So, okay guys, let's start cooking. So, sa ating cooking pot, mag-add tayo ng oil and add natin yung ating ginger. So, medyo dinamihan ka ng konti yung ating oil guys kasi wala naman masyadong taba yung ating balon-balunan. Brown lang natin guys yung ating ginger at saka yung ating garlic. So, right now, isunod na natin yung ating garlic. So guys, brown na po yung ating garlic at saka yung ating ginger. Time to add our onion. Let's add in our onions at saka yung ating konting asin. Then, hayaan lang natin siya guys na maging translucent. Then, i-add na natin yung ating balon-balunan or yung ating gizzard. And this time guys, luto na yon, translucent na yung ating onion. So, i-add na natin yung ating balon-balunan. And mix lang natin siya guys para ma-incorporate yung ating mga spices. Then, add in na rin natin guys yung ating bay leaves or laurel at saka yung ating peppercorns. Then, let's add in our black pepper. Ayan. The more na mag-a-add tayo nito is the more masarap. So, sa mga mahilig lang guys sa black pepper, pwede nyong damihan. Then, mix lang natin guys. Ayan. And then, since mas matigas yung ating yung ating balon-balunan, so it will take time. So yung gagawin ko is slow cook ko siya guys. Hinaan lang natin yung apoy para ma-release na yung kanyang excuse me, juices. Ayan. So guys, hindi po ako nag-add ng water. Yan yung juice ng ng ating balon-balunan. So pag hininaan mo yung apoy, i-release na yung mga excess na water. So yun yung magluluto sa ating balon-balunan guys. Or pwede rin nyo guys siyang i-pressure. So previously nag-vlog din ako pero pin-pressure ko yung yung balon-balunan. So hindi niya kailangang lutuin talaga kasi naka-pressure na. So this time isuslow ko lang siya guys para maluto siya or lumambot. Slow cook lang natin siya guys hanggang sa lumambot. So guys, kung sa tingin nyo hindi pa siya malambot, you can add water. Yung hot water mismo ang ilalagay nyo. So guys, ngayon guys, oil na lang yung natira sa ating kakonti na lang yung kanyang water. So, i-check ko kung malambot na ba siya. Then, mag-add na tayo ng ating pampakulay. So this time guys, maglalagay na ako ng annatto powder or atswete. Maglagay lang tayo ng konti guys. Direct na guys. Pwede nyo rin siyang tunawin sa water. It's up to you kung saan yung gusto nyo. So yung sa akin, dinrap ko lang siya dyan. Ayan, then mix it all together para ma-absorb ng ating gizzard, yung ating atsuete. Then, i-add na rin natin yung ating soy sauce. Ayan. So, makikita nyo guys kung paano nag-change yung kulay niya. Mix lang natin guys. At timplahin na rin. So, this time guys, mag-a-add na ako ng asin. Ayan, kasi malambot na yung ating balon-balunan. And of course, huwag kalimutan yung aking magic sarap. Ayan, maglalagay na rin ako guys. And lastly, maglalagay na tayo ng ating vinegar. Ayan. Nasa sa inyo na guys kung gaano ka-asim yung gusto nyo. Ayan. So ako mahilig ako sa maasim, so medyo marami akong nalagay. Ayan, mix lang natin guys. Then hayaan natin siyang mag-simmer hanggang sa will incorporate or ma-absorb ng ating gizzard yung ating vinegar at saka yung ating ibang ingredients. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung kulay niya guys. Ayan, yan yung combination ng ating atsuete at saka ng ating soy sauce. Ayan guys, I think luto na yung ating adobo. So lastly, tap mo lang siya guys ng chilies. Ayan. Ayan, and here we have guys our adobong chicken gizzard or adobong balon-balunan ala Life Love.
Come back, be with me. I just want